Listen to the characters and recognize the phrases. Let's begin.
全部私のもの
She said.
全部私のもの
It means it's all mine.
全部
Means all or everything.
私
Is a casual way to say,
私
and it means I, and when you add,
の
it becomes the possessive form, my,
もの
means things, so,
私のもの
means mine. Next one.
面白い
He said.
面白い
It means interesting. The proper form of this is,
面白い
and it means funny or interesting. Next one.
お前もな
He said.
お前もな
It means you too.
お前
Means you,
も
means too or also, and
な
is used to remind something or when you want the listener to agree with you. But,
お前
and,
な
are mostly used by men. You can say,
あなたもね
to prevent sounding manly or rude. Next one.
今どこにいる
He said.
今どこにいる
It means where is he now? He didn't say the subject, so it could also mean where is she or where are you?
今
Means now,
どこ
means where, is used as a preposition, at, and
にいる
means there is, there are, be or exist. Next one.
欲しかったんでしょ
She said.
欲しかったんでしょ
It means you've wanted this, haven't you?
欲しい
Means want,
買った
makes it into past tense,
でしょ
is like a question tag. In this case, haven't you? Next one.
とうとう手に入った
He said.
とうとう手に入った
It means I finally got this.
とうと
Means finally,
う手
is hands and
入った
is the past tense of,
入る
and it means enter or join.
手に入る
Means to come into one's possession. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have fun.